Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on PandaBuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser within which you have not logged out from your PandaBuy account. Now in the address bar, type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. Now since you have not logged out, you will directly be taken into your homepage and you can start making purchases from your account. If you wish to log out, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the logout button. Go ahead and click on it. And now this will log you out and take you back into the login portal for PandaBuy. If you wish to log back in once again, you can either use your email address and your password and enter the verification code to log in, or you can also continue with your Apple or Google account. In case you have forgotten your password, you will see the forgot password option underneath the login button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on PandaBuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.